Here I'm going to talk about solutions to equations. So what exactly does it mean in terms of ordered pairs? We are going to look now at equations that have two variables, and we are going to use an ordered pair, and we are going to try and determine if that specific ordered pair satisfies your equation, meaning it is a solution. Now, the easiest way to do it is you simply plug and chug. So to do that, you have to remember in any ordered pair, like for example this one, 1, 3, we have to remember that it is x, y. So in this case, what are we being told? We're being told that x equals 1, and we're being told that y equals 3. So with that, we're going to take this and we're going to plug it back into my equation. So here this becomes 2 times 1 minus 3 times 3, and we're hoping or wondering if that gives us 7. So 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 3 is 9, so 2 minus 9, and we want to know if that is 7. Well, 2 minus 9 is a negative 7, which does not equal 7, so therefore you would say that no, the point 1, 3 is not a solution. And the reason for that is because it didn't work. So let's try it again. Here again we have x, y. So again, remember that says that x is being told that you're half and y is negative 2. Okay, so this is what we're told. Again, we're using the same equation, so this becomes 2 times 1/2 minus 3 times a negative 2, and we're checking to see if this equals 7. So 2 times 1/2 is 1, minus a negative times negative is positive, 3 times 2 is 6, and we want to know if that's going to be 7. Well, 1 plus 6 is 7. Equals 7, therefore, yes, the point 1/2, negative 2, is a solution. So the biggest hints that I can give you here is this. If you have a false statement, well then that means no solution. However, if you have a true statement, then that means that you have a solution. Okay? And so there you go. That is what you need to know about being able to check and see if a coordinate point is a solution to a given equation. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy yourself, have fun with your math. Remember, math is bananas, and I'll see you next time.